Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Working on our 59 Shasta.
Hi, and welcome to Yeti at Large. This is a channel focused on making the most out of what you have, no matter where you're at. Thanks for tuning in and helping out.
In a very brief video I want to put out today. This is the 1-year anniversary of Yeti at Large. Today, we've been doing this 1 year. We've been through a lot in the last year, and we're dealing with a lot of real life decisions and changes. We haven't talked a lot about it because this channel is an escape. This channel was designed to be therapeutic and to help kind of get back to normal and do the fun things in life. Cooking, projects, family, food, fun, houses, cars, you name it. But today's the 1-year anniversary, and I get a real kick out of it because in that year, I've earned almost 900 subscribers. I've lost about 220 subscribers in that journey. We've done 260 videos. We've had 125,000 views. We don't have enough viewers or watch time to monetize, which isn't the reason we're doing this, so I won't say that's irrelevant, but it's not the driving factor. Because of that, I don't have giveaways. I don't have quizzes, polls. I'm not doing a lot of stuff. Every once in a while I'll ask for you to like and subscribe, but I hate doing it. It feels gross. But that's just me. But on this 1-year anniversary, if you're watching this, I want to say thank you. Your comments, your support, your criticisms, they've been great. It's been a whole lot of fun, and I think we're going to get back on track, and we're going to gain some steam again, and we're going to start doing a lot more stuff. We're shifting gears to RV lifestyle, vintage campers, shipping containers, and we're really going to get back in food. And I got to tell you, to my #1 subscriber, I will get you those eclairs, and I'm putting your name on them and going to make enough that you can share with the squad and everybody. So, from Yeti at Large, a heartfelt thanks for a solid year. It's been fascinating, with the ups, the downs. You'll laugh, you'll cry, you'll hurl. So please, like and subscribe, blah, blah, blah. And we'll see you in a year. We'll do this again.